Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow the starch solution. All my recipes are whole food, plant-based, no oil, and they are gluten-free because I do have celiacs, but they appeal to everyone, whether you have a gluten sensitivity or not. I do follow the starch solution, so you will find lots of recipes on this channel that are starch solution compliant. If that all sounds good to you, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at Chew on Vegan. And if you're new to this way of eating, or maybe you need some support, I have a Facebook group, and there you will find recipes, inspiration, and support. I'll leave the links to all that in the description box below. Today I'm going to be showing you a fried rice recipe. Most fried rice recipes contain egg. This recipe will be 100% plant-based, no oil, gluten-free, and we're going to be using tofu in place of the egg. It's really simple, it's really easy, so let's get over the stove and let's get started. So you want a nice deep pan, or a wok would work as well, and I've got about 4 tablespoons of water in here heating up, and to this we're going to add about 12 ounces of tofu. And this is firm tofu, and I'm just going to smash this up and put it right into the pan. So this will take place of our egg. And you want to make sure you get a firm or extra firm tofu. And you want to break it up. And if you need to add more water, then do so. Then we're going to add our spices. We have salt, we have smoked paprika, we have garlic powder, onion powder, we've got turmeric for that beautiful yellow color. If you want to add black salt to this, feel free. It'll give it even more of an eggy flavor, but I'm going to leave it out this time. You can use regular pepper. So you just want to make sure all the tofu is coated. And then we're going to cook this for about 4 or 5 minutes. This is what you want it to look like. You want it to resemble scrambled eggs. And you want the moisture to be out. So now we're going to put this in a bowl, set it aside. We're going to rinse this out, and then we're going to cook the rest of the ingredients. So add some more water back in, and you want to be on medium-high heat. I also cook the tofu on medium-high heat. So we're going to let this heat up a little bit. And cooking without oil is the best way to reduce your calories and the overall calorie density of a meal. By doing so, this is a lower calorie density meal, which is going to be beneficial for helping you to lose weight. Now I'm going to add some fresh ginger, some minced garlic, and then I've got some green onions. I've got the white and the light green part of the green onion. We'll be using the dark green part of the green onion later. So we just want to saute this for a bit, a couple of minutes. And the exact measurements for everything will be in the description box. Now we're going to add some peas and some carrots. And I just used frozen peas, of course. Instead of the peas, if you wanted to use green beans or asparagus, that's totally fine. All right, then we're going to stir fry this for a couple of minutes. Now I'm going to add in the rice, and of course it wouldn't be stir-fried rice without rice. This is brown rice. You can use white rice. That's all good. This is about 2.5 cups. You want about 2.5 to 3 cups. And you want to make sure that it is cold. So you want to use leftover rice. Otherwise, it just turns into a big mush. I have a couple tablespoons of liquid aminos and a tablespoon of coconut aminos. So we just pour that around, and then you just want to make sure that all the rice is coated. We're going to add the dark part of the green onion, and I like to add some cilantro. This is totally optional. So we're going to stir this around for a couple of minutes till we get it all coated. Now we'll add in our tofu. And at this point you can turn the flame off. and then just mix it all together. All right, we're gonna plate this up and give it a taste. Now, how easy was that? Here is the finished product. I topped it with some sesame seeds, and you can pair this with some broccoli or a salad, whatever you'd like. Or you can just eat it as a meal as is. But for me, I like to add veggies. It helps dilute the calories, the calorie density of an item. And so I would definitely pair this with a good side of broccoli, and that helps reduce the calorie density of this recipe. I'd eat my broccoli first and then I'd eat my rice. So let's give this a taste. Absolutely perfect. And you've got the tofu in there, so if you're worried about protein, no worries, it's all in here. So this is a perfect recipe for your weight loss journey, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with fried rice, and that way I know you made it to the end with me, and I really appreciate your support. Remember to check out all the links in the description box, and if you give this recipe a try, take a picture of it and tag me and I will post it. Remember that all my recipes are good for you, they're good for the animals, and they're good for the planet, and what you put on your plate determines your fate. Until next time, thank you.